Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the mounting location. Find a stud or solid masonry and mark the board center at 1.73 meters from the floor. Once located, drill a pilot hole and fit a backing plate or washer behind the board to spread load. This prevents rotation at the screw head. Use a 5/16-inch lag bolt into the stud and tighten until snug but not crushing the frame. Make sure the board sits flush and the level shows perfectly vertical before moving on. Next, stop the spinning by adding anti-rotation hardware. Attach a flange or U-bracket to the back top and bottom edges, screwed into the board frame and wall. Tighten 1/4-inch screws so the brackets engage the wall and prevent lateral movement. Once done, insert thin rubber or felt shims between frame and wall where needed to absorb small gaps. This takes out play that causes torque and spinning. Make sure the board can't pivot around the central bolt. Recheck by spinning gently with your hand. Finally, fine-tune and verify stability. Test the board by applying force at several outer points. If you see more than 2 millimeters of play, retighten all fasteners and brackets. Apply a medium-strength thread locker to bolts to prevent them backing out over time. If the board still rotates, place a rubber friction pad or anti-slip washer directly behind the central bolt to increase shear resistance. If problems persist, inspect the stud or wall substrate for damage. Replace or reinforce the anchor as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.